I didn't believe in Titanic. I don't believe in fairy tales. But that was before. Before the story ever came to play. I met you in summer. It was so hot. I figured it was you. You passed, and I swear I looked back. I didn't mind if I turned to salt, if that was my lot. I said I didn't believe in love. Talk more of love at first sight. But that day I felt like Paul, arrested by your light. I felt blinded into love. I guess love is blind. Now I can run 4 laps just to get a chance to sit on your lap. I'm willing to spend my 8 figures on your figure 8. It's funny how I'm beginning to love what I hate. Oh, forgive me, it's the lost talking. Some people say they find love, but I chose to be lost. You might have been thinking if this is love or lost. Lost will die for you. I'm willing to take a spear if it spare your life. Cause seeing you live in a way makes me feel alive.